In the past few months, we have come across several leaks and rumors about the OnePlus 6T, and a lot have been revealed about the device already. We have been overwhelmed by numerous leaks, rumors, renders and spec sheets, and the company itself has been teasing details about its new phone for weeks now. Now the OnePlus 6T Ultimate Limited Edition has been listed on the Swedish e-commerce website Webhallen. I hope I had pronounced that correctly. One of the leading Nordic retailers in gaming, home electronics and mobile tech. The description of OnePlus 6T Special Edition listing on Webhallen notes, OnePlus Ultimate Limited Edition is an ultimate kit for anyone who wants to get all of your OnePlus 6T. In the package, we will include a OnePlus 6T as well as a host of secret things. The Limited OnePlus Edition will be sold before the official presentation of the OnePlus 6T and delivered one day before the general sale. The sale will start on 25th October, 5 days before OnePlus 6T is presented in New York. OnePlus 6T Ultimate Limited Edition will only be sold at Webhallen and will be limited to 100 copies. Ultimate Limited Edition has a higher price than the device itself will have on the sale, but the content will more than compensate the higher price tag. So it is worth to mention that only 100 units will be available for sale, and the sale of the special edition phone will start on 25th October. A new leak comes courtesy of Indian leakster Ishan Agarwal, who has collaborated with MySmartPrice to get the information. According to the leak, the OnePlus 6T pricing in India will start at 37,999 rupees for the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, going up to 40,999 rupees for the 8GB and 128GB option, and rupees 44,999 rupees for the 8GB and 256GB option. Thus, the pricing will be higher than that of OnePlus 6, which started at rupees 34,999. What this leak also revealed is that OnePlus could finally do away with 64GB storage option as its base variant, suggesting that users are looking for 128GB of storage as a minimum on new OnePlus devices. Given that OnePlus smartphones do not support storage expansion, users do look at higher storage. However, the 3,000 rupees price difference between the suggested 6GB and 8GB variants might come across as too high for just a slight bump in RAM. The OnePlus 6T will be launched on 30 October, with sales in India commencing on November 2. The device is expected to come with Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, a water drop style notch, in-display fingerprint scanner, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC under the hood. Interestingly, it will also be the first OnePlus device to ditch the 3.5mm headphone jack. So guys, what do you think about this OnePlus 6T Ultimate Limited Edition? Do you think it should also be available for international markets? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.